Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data, backup photos and accounts now. Next, install a reliable color cycling or stuck pixel app and run a 5-10 minute cycle. This can revive a stuck green subpixel by rapidly driving the pixel values. Once done, perform a soft restart, then boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app created the green dot. If the dot persists after these software checks, make sure to proceed carefully. Hardware is the likely cause and requires different actions. You now move to cautious hardware methods. First, with the device off, place a microfiber cloth over the green dot area and apply gentle, localized pressure using the rounded end of a stylus. Hold for 10-15 seconds. This can reseat a stuck subpixel. Once done, try a warm compress for 30-60 seconds to relax display adhesives. Make sure not to overheat or wet the phone. If the pixel still shows green, resist opening the phone yourself unless you have training, because that risks further damage and voids warranty. If software and safe pressure methods fail, the only reliable fix is screen replacement. A stuck or dead subpixel usually means the OLED/LCD panel is failing. You should contact an authorized Vivo service center or a reputable repair shop, get a written estimate, and confirm whether the replacement uses OEM parts. Once the new screen is installed, verify the area before leaving. If anything goes wrong, insist they recheck the component-level replacement and keep receipts. This helps with warranty or consumer claims.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.